Hello, my name is Michael Gray. I'm 35. I'm from Hamilton, Ohio, and I'm majoring in political science in hopes to go to law school. I'm married. I have 5 children, and so my hobbies right now are coaching. I coach my oldest son's all-star baseball team. Aside from that, things like exercise, traveling, eating out at new places, and everything to watching Netflix, watching movies, playing video games, stuff like that. For this class, I'll probably concentrate on baseball, but maybe even kickboxing as well. Both passions in both sports. I did some amateur kickboxing some years ago and still have passion for martial arts. And just from this class, I just hope to take the knowledge and to apply it in my educational career and learning going forward, and hope to take everything from it and apply it. Thanks.